Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video we are going to be talking about the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Now this phone is around the corner. It is going to be released either in late January or extremely early February. So it is about time, and of course a lot of people are waiting to see what's going to happen because they want to buy it or they want to upgrade to it. And of course now we have even more reliable leaks that gives us further information about the performance of this phone and other juicy details. So let's dive in and see exactly what is going on. So again, we have some leaks from Ahmed on Twitter. The best of these leaks is in fact the fact that the S23 Ultra is going to be significantly faster in performance than the S22 Ultra. Now remember, the S22 Ultra already is a powerful phone, but now here's the numbers that we're going to see. So the CPU on the S23 as opposed to the S22 is going to be 36% faster. The GPU, the graphics, are going to be 48% faster. And then the neural processing unit is going to be 60% faster. So these are some stunning numbers. Basically, it's performance increase all around. Now, if you look at the Geekbench scores of the Samsung Galaxy S22, you can see the multi-core score is around 3,300, at least on my Samsung Galaxy. So if you were to apply a 36% boost to this score, we're looking at 4,500, 4,600, even up to 5,000 in Geekbench scores, which brings this very close to the iPhone's A16. And of course, as you know, the phone is going to have Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. And here's some of the specs you can see on the screen. And one more thing that we know is we are going to get a newer software. So right now, the latest is One UI 5.0. But on the S23 series, we are going to get One UI 5.1, which always comes with a bunch of new features here and there, which also means they're going to get trickled down to other smartphones like the S23, the Note 20, like the S22, the Note 20, the Fold, and all that good stuff. So One UI 5.0, Android 13 on the S23 Ultra. Now another leak that I missed, and you can see it right here, is the battery on the S23 Ultra is going to be exactly as the S22. It's going to be 5,000 milliamp hours. It's going to be 45 watts maximum. So that's going to yield the same charging speeds. From a dead battery to 50% charge, you can get that in as little as 30 minutes. For a full charge, from a dead battery to 100%, it's going to take approximately an hour, and sometimes even a little bit less than that, like 55 minutes. So these are great numbers. So that's some of the new information that we have on the S23 Ultra. Other than that, we know exactly what it's going to look like. Basically, it's going to be a higher-end S22 Ultra. And one more thing I'm going to say is Samsung is most likely going to do their crazy trade-in values. So if you have an S22 Ultra, and if you're in certain countries, you'll probably get up to $1,000 trade-in credit for an S22, and then you can buy the S23 for an extra couple $100. In that case, it will be a no-brainer to upgrade. But then in some other countries, you don't get these crazy trade-in discounts. You get lower values when it comes to trade-ins. Now, in that case, we would have to sit down and look at every aspect of these phones and see if it's going to be worth the upgrade or not. But for now, that's what we have. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below. Let me know. For now, guys, have a fantastic day.